Hello traders, welcome to this video on the price alert indicator for MT4 and MT5. In this video, we'll cover how to set price alerts on the chart, what the indicator does when a level is reached, and what settings are available. At this point, I'm going to go ahead and load the indicator on the chart so you see how it acts in real time. But allows the lot of imports, and there we go. So we have it installed, but to really understand this, we're going to need to go back to the settings, the inputs, because the price alert indicator draws horizontal alert lines on the main price chart at user-defined price levels. So let's say I can edit this value over here and set it at 5,000. So I would have an alert when I'll have an alert when price goes above 5,000. And I can also set another alert here. Let's see when price goes below 4,980. All right. And then I can set a third alert when price is exactly at, let's say, 4,880. All right. So this is typically me setting up the indicator. So that is basically how this works. So you can see it pops up, it sends an alert for when price reaches these thresholds. Alright, so when price reaches a drawn level or a set level, it implies the market has arrived at a point or at the point where the trader has designated as significant, whether as a potential entry zone, target, stop level, or general area of interest. Alright, so we've already looked at the settings. You can also enable emails. I can send you emails directly. Alright, you can also customize colors, create their preferred time frames. Alright, so we have that. So who's this indicator for? This indicator suits any trader who wants to be notified when price reaches a key level without having to constantly monitor the charts. It is compatible with MT4 and MT5. It is an alerting utility only. It does not execute trades. Alert delivery depends on platform and internet connectivity. Alerts may not fire instantly in all conditions. The download links are in the description below. Visit the Forex Geek for more free tools. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications, and I'll see you in the next video.